Hello traders. Today we'll be looking at the TPO Range Indicator of MT4. This price action and volume 2 plots key time price opportunity levels TPO like POC, value area high, value area low. So you can see where the market has spent the most time and traded the most volume. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the TPO range indicator draws dotted horizontal lines across the chart that mark important levels such as the POC point of control, VAH value area high, and VAL value area low, along with developing POC levels. These lines show where price has acted as strong support or resistance and where the most trading activity occurred, visually highlighting zones of market acceptance. A volume display can be seen on the right side of the chart, showing how much trade has occurred within each candle period, helping you confirm whether a breakout or reversal is supported by active participation. Together, these elements let you look back in time to see how price behaved around key levels and how market sentiment across sessions evolved. Now, if we go towards the settings, let's move over to the settings. You can see the range mode and range minutes. We have the HG positions and mood level style. These are used to calculate the key levels and mark them, especially the range minutes and mood step, and also adjust the color to suit your visual trading style. Now, who is it for? The TPO range indicator suits price action traders who need to identify critical levels, trend continuation, and reversal zones, and market momentum using both price and volume. It requires a trading strategy and some knowledge of price action. And like any tool, it can produce false signals and should be combined with other indicators and analysis. You can find the download link in the description below and also read the full TPO range indicator article, including strategy examples, pros and cons, and implementation guidance at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.